Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start using Zoom for virtual meetings, full guide step by step clearly. To start using Zoom for virtual meetings, first, visit the Zoom website at zoom.us. Click on the Sign Up, it's free button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your email address to create a Zoom account, or use a Google or Facebook account for quicker registration. Once you have signed up, check your email for a confirmation message from Zoom. Click on the link in the email to activate your account. Next, log into your Zoom account using your credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to your Zoom dashboard. Here, you can choose to download the Zoom client by clicking on the Download button. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the application on your computer. Once installed, open the Zoom application. To schedule a meeting, click on the Schedule button in the app. Fill in the details, like the date, time, and duration of the meeting. You can also set a meeting password for added security. After scheduling the meeting, you will receive a unique meeting ID and link. To invite participants, click on the Copy Invitation button and share it via email or messaging apps. On the day of the meeting, open the Zoom app and click on Join a Meeting. Enter the meeting ID provided to you and click Join. If required, enter the meeting password to access the session. When you join the meeting, you will have options to turn on your audio and video. Ensure your microphone and camera permissions are granted when prompted. During the meeting, familiarize yourself with the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. You can mute or unmute your microphone and turn your camera on or off as needed. Use the chat feature to send text messages to participants during the meeting. If you would like to share your screen, click on the Share Screen button. Select the window or application you want to share, and then click Share. To record the meeting, click the Record button on the toolbar. After the meeting, you can stop the recording and it will be saved on your computer or in the cloud depending on your settings. Finally, after your meeting ends, explore the settings in Zoom to customize your experience further. That's how to get started using Zoom for virtual meetings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.